Some of us are not good at creative writing. We can speak well. We know how to sell. But to write creatively for social media marketing, it drives me crazy. Fortunately, today there is AI to help you craft what you want the world to know about you on social media. Open your web browser and type in chat.openai.com. ChatGPT is a free AI tool that is great to use. I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write a self-introduction to be used in a Facebook page for real estate salesperson. After I open the web page, under User, I ask by typing the following to ask ChatGPT. Press Enter when you finish the sentence. Now, ChatGPT is giving you a storyboard. I think it gave me a good marketing script to put on my Facebook page, my website, and also my flyers. Remember to update your name into the paragraphs. Where it says bracket name, also update your real estate company name. Simply left-click on your mouse, highlight the whole paragraph. Press Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy. Paste it onto your Facebook page or your desired marketing materials. It also provides you with hashtag keywords. Don't miss them out. This is a good start. And you can take inspiration from this first draft and do your own editing, or click on this button to regenerate another draft by ChatGPT. I think I prefer to have something shorter. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a shorter version. Now, the original version is rewritten and shortened to 8 sentences. Click on the regenerate icon to generate another version. What we just did. Even the short version will not fit onto the bio section on Facebook page. Let me give you a clue to solve this. Only 255 characters can fit into the bio section. It is your turn to put into practice on your computer using ChatGPT. Good luck. I believe you can do it.